HR compliance training isn't just another corporate checkbox. It's your organization's shield against legal troubles and the key to a thriving workplace culture. Let me break down why this matters to you and your business. Think of HR compliance training as your company's immune system. Just as our bodies need regular maintenance to fight off illness, your organization needs consistent training to protect against legal issues, discrimination claims, and workplace conflicts. The cost of neglecting this? Well, it's like ignoring a check engine light. It might seem fine now, but it could lead to catastrophic failure later. What makes effective compliance training? It's not about boring presentations or endless paperwork. The best programs focus on real-world scenarios and practical applications. For instance, instead of just listing harassment policies, effective training shows employees how to identify, prevent, and respond to actual situations they might encounter. The beauty of modern HR compliance training is its flexibility. Whether it's through interactive online modules, engaging workshops, or blended learning approaches, there's a solution that fits every organization's needs. The key is consistency and relevance, keeping your team updated on the latest regulations while maintaining their interest and engagement. Remember, strong HR compliance training isn't just about avoiding problems, it's about building a foundation for success. When your team understands and embraces compliance, you're not just protecting your business, you're creating an environment where everyone can thrive. See you in the next video.